What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Wingstop. I'll be back after you guys with another video. On today's video we have another sneaker unboxing. I actually picked this up from a Nike sale. This was a shoe I actually wanted last year. I actually made a vlog on it a long time ago last year, like I said. I didn't pick them up because I just didn't want to pay the full retail price. I figured I'll just let them go, and if they come back to me, I guess it was meant to be. And it looks like what we have here is that Nike had a sale. I saw these on the website. And I've always liked the model, like I said, I always liked the shoe, so I figured why not? They were like $105, they're originally $160, so they would have been like $175 after tax and everything. So saved around like what, $60, whatever that is. So yeah, let's just get right into the video, but before we get into the video, please hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram to see how I style these sneakers. So, as you guys know, this came from Nike, so it just comes in a standard red Nike box. And is the Air Max 2 Lite Quick Strike. So the Air Max 2 Lite, just to give a little background, it actually came out last year for, I believe, its 25th anniversary. And I like the model. Like, obviously, I wasn't buying shoes in whatever year it was when they originally came out. I think I was like 2 years old maybe, or whatever that is. But I really like the model. I didn't even know about the Air Max 2 Lite, but like I said, I enjoyed the shoe. And I just didn't pick up any colorways just because I don't know, I just never got around to it, or I just didn't want to pay full retail price. And I caught a couple on sale, but I was just like, I'll just save the money. But these right here, I've really had to get them just because they're so just wild out there. I absolutely love the way they look. And let me just pull them out, and bang bang is the Atmos Air Max 2 Lite. So this is a collaboration with Atmos and Nike. You guys know that Atmos does a lot of Nike collaborations. And I believe this was for Air Max Day last year. They let Atmos do this collab. These were originally first brought out at Complex Con back in 2018, I believe. So yeah. Now a lot of people aren't a fan of this. That's why these went on sale. That's why they have a full size run on Nike. But I absolutely love these. I think they're really cool. They're very unique and different. You guys know I enjoy colorways on shoes, and the whole aspect of the shoe is pretty much just old school Nike logos from the 90s with all these vibrant colors. It just reminds me of the 1990s, saying Miami, just the vibrant colors and all the different Nike logos. I absolutely love these. And like I said, they're so different and unique that I have not seen one person ever wear these out in public either. So that is definitely nice as well. So it just goes to show you don't have to buy the hype limited sneakers stand out. There's tons of shoes that you can get on sale that are incredible, and people just overlook them because they're not hype. And this is a collaboration too, which is interesting. Usually Atmos collabs do very well, but I guess people just weren't feeling these. I think it's the model really, and that people just really aren't a fan of the Air Max 2 Lite in general. But I absolutely love it. So yeah, you guys see all the details. The one thing I don't like is this plastic over on the side panels. But I think that protects the material from wear and tear. So because this is really just I don't know, it kind of feels like a windbreaker material that you would have on a windbreaker, obviously. That's what it feels like to me. So I think to protect that from ripping or getting damaged, they had to put this plastic layer over it. I really don't mind it. It gives the shoe definitely a unique look. And they do come with two pairs of spare laces. They come with this purplish color lace and this vol color lace. I think I'm definitely going to do, and they come with these red, by the way, but what I was about to say is that I'm definitely going to put a vault in and then keep the red one. So I'm going to do one red, one vault to really freak these. So yeah, I really do like these. I actually tried these on. I got my true to size. They do fit a little long. I had a little bit of toe room, or I had a little bit of room in the toe area, I should say. So I guess you could go a size down if you a real snug fit. But if you just a loose, normal fit, you want a little bit of room, I would just go true to size. And by the way, I'm looking at it as well. I didn't notice this, but there is some plush, furry material on the inside lining as well. That seems like it get hot during the summer, which is weird, but it is what it is. But I think that's just the whole 90s aesthetic. So that's why they added that in there. So that's also a nice touch as well. So yeah, I really do enjoy these shoes. I'm happy I was able to get these on sale. Because, like I said, I probably wouldn't have paid full price for these. So, just the moral of the story is there's going to be dope sales, this coming time. I know it's hard, not to spend money. But if you are in the market and you do have a little bit extra money, there are plenty of dope sneakers that you can get on Nike. that people overlook just because they're not hyped. So don't ever be afraid to try something new, especially if it's on sale. And if you don't like it in person, Nike offers 30-day free returns, so you can't really like lose there. So yeah, that's gonna be the video for today. So remember guys, patience saves pockets, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.